In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Australia Post with Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right app, install it, and get your subscription approved so you can start offering Australia Post shipping at checkout. First, head to shopify.com and sign in to your Shopify admin. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Apps. This is where you manage your installed apps and access the Shopify App Store to find new ones. Inside the Apps section, open the Shopify App Store and use the search bar to type Australia Post. You'll see several options. Choose the Australia Post app that best fits your needs. Take a moment to read the description, check the features, and skim a few reviews. Look for capabilities like live shipping rates, label printing, and tracking, and make sure it's compatible with your store's plan and any other tools you use. When you're confident with your choice, click the app to open its details page. On the app page, click Install. Shopify will prompt you to review the permissions the app needs to work properly, such as managing orders or calculating rates. These permissions are normal for a shipping integration. Confirm by clicking Install again to complete the secure authorization in your Shopify admin. Many Australia Post apps offer paid plans or free trials. If a subscription is required, you'll be asked to select a plan and choose a payment method. Pick the option that aligns with your order volume and features you'll actually use. Shopify will show you the charge details clearly. When you're ready, click Approve to authorize the subscription. You can typically change or cancel a plan later according to the app's terms. That's the core setup done. After installation, most apps guide you through connecting your Australia Post account, choosing services you want to offer, and setting defaults like parcel sizes. While that onboarding isn't part of today's steps, here are a few quick tips to make life easier. Double check your store's shipping origin address, ensure your product weights and dimensions are accurate, and run a quick test with a draft order to confirm the rates look right at checkout. If you ship internationally, verify zones and services are enabled as expected. You've now learned how to find the Australia Post integration, install it, confirm permissions, select a subscription, and approve charges. Save your changes and you're ready to move on to configuring your shipping options and fulfilling orders with confidence.